Hello, welcome to Maths Guru Educational Services. If you are new on this channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button below the screen so you'll be informed anytime we upload a new video on this platform. Today we are simply going to resolve these questions on the screen. We have x raised to the power of 5 over 3 plus 3x raised to the power of 4 over 3 minus 10x equal to 0. We are required to find the value of x. Can you solve this? You can pause the video and attempt the question. Having done that, let's quickly attempt the question together. If you have not watched our video on exponential equation, you can do that so it will help you to resolve this question effectively. What we're going to do here is simply to interpret this question another way around. The expression we have here, this expression can be rewritten as x raised to the power of 1 over 3 or raised to the power of 5 plus 3 into x raised to the power of 1 over 3 or raised to the power of 4 minus 10 into x raised to the power of 1 over 3 all raised to the power of 3, and we equate it to 0. At this point in time, we see that x raised to the power of 1 over 3 is common to all the terms in the expression. So we can simply say, let x raised to the power of 1 over 3 be equal to, only later we can use p in this case. So mind you, this is our representation. So anywhere we see x raised to the power of 1 over 3, we substitute p. So we replace that with p. So we have it here. We're going to have p raised to the power of 5 plus 3, we're going to have p raised to the power of 4. And we have minus 10 p raised to the power of 3 equal to 0. So we're going to factor out p raised to the power of 3. So if we factor out p raised to the power of 3, we'll be left with p raised to the power of 3 in p raised to the power of 5. We're going to have p raised to the power of 2 plus p raised to the power of 3 in 3p raised to the power of 4. We're going to have 3p minus p raised to the power of 3 in 10p raised to the power of 3. We're going to have 10, and we have it equals 0. So we can simply say we've got a factor of p here now, that is p raised to the power of 3 is equal to 0. That is to say p is equal to 0. That is 1. All right, let's look out for the other factors of p by solving this quadratic expression. So we have p squared plus 3p minus 10 equal to 0. Using factorization method, we can have p squared plus 5p minus 2p minus 10 equal to 0. If you do not understand this method, please, we have a video on this as well. Factorization method of resolving quadratic equation. You can find that on our page here as well. So let's group this. we're going to have P out, and we'll be left with P plus 5 minus 2. We'll be left with P plus 5 as well, and this will be equal to 0. That is to say, P minus 2, P plus 5 equals 0. So we have either P minus 2 equals 0 or P plus 5 equals 0. So P is equal to 2 or P is equal to negative 5. But recall that we have x raised to the power of 1 over 3 equal to P. And we are required to find the value of x. So here is one of the factors of P that we found. So we can say if P equals 0, we have x raised to the power of 1 over 3 equal 0. And if we cube both sides of the equation, we're going to have x raised to the power of 1 over 3 cube equals 0 cube. And this will give us x to be equal to 0. That is 1. Then 2, if P equals 2, then x raised to the power of 1 over 3 equals 2. To find the value of x here now, we cube both sides of the equation. And we're going to have x raised to the power of 1 over 3 all cube equal to 2 cube. And this will make x to be equal to 8. Then finally, if P is equal to negative 5, then x raised to the power of 1 over 3 is equal to negative 5. So if we cube both sides as well, we're going to have x equal to negative 5 cube. And x will be equal to negative 125. That is to say, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 8, and s can also be equal to negative 125. By so doing, we have resolved the question completely. If you like this video, please kindly subscribe to our channel so we can always get to you whenever we upload a new video. Thank you.